Hello. These are your 6B notes since I am not here. And today is actually a really good day for me to not be here compared to some others because there's really not much new here. All of the stuff you have done before, so I have no doubt that you will be able to do this. The only thing that is new is a couple words. So I feel like you can handle this. This one, first one, solve the following equation. You got this. Add 6 to both sides. Those cancel. You've got 2x equals 6 divided by 2. X equals 3. What is the solution? X equals 3. Graph the following equation. It's the same. 2x minus 6. 2x minus 6. We start. Your y-intercept is -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a mark. And then your slope is 2. 2 over 1. 2 over 1. I have no ruler. Gonna have to freehand it. Not bad. There we go. Okay, the next question here. What is the 0/x-intercept? This is your new word, 0. Anytime we say the word 0, we are talking about x-intercept. So 0/x-intercept, that's the same word. So your x-intercept, where does it cross the x-axis? So this is your x-axis. It crosses right there. And that point is 3, 0. Please make sure you're writing your intercepts and your zeros as ordered pairs. They are points, and points are ordered pairs. You need both vertical and horizontal location. All right, the next one, same idea. The equation is the same as the right side of your equation here. So we've got 0 equals 3x minus 3 plus 2. Your right side has 3 terms, so you need to clean those up. Make it 0 equals 3x minus 1. You can add 1. That gives you 1 equals 3x. And then divide by 3. So x equals 1/3. If you go to do the next one, graph the following equation. This is function form. Hopefully you realize that. This means your first point is going to be up 2, and it's the opposite of what's in parentheses, so it's going to be right 1. Or you can think about it as the ordered pair 1, 2. Over 1, up 2. Right there. And then do your slope. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, over 1. We can go down 2, 3, back 1. As always, make sure I can see your 3 distinct points. And then to answer the next one, what is the 0x-intercept? Well, where does it cross? It is not exact, but again, it's where does it cross this line? It appears about there. Now, if you're paying attention from the first one, these two were the same. So 1/3. Does 1/3 sound about right? I think so. It's just to the right of the origin. So we're going to go with that. 1/3, 0. So at this point, we want you to realize that if you are finding the x-intercepts, you can take your equation and instead of having it equal to y, you're replacing a y with a 0. And we call that finding the zeros, or finding the x-intercepts, because we replace it with 0 because the y value of any x-intercept is 0. So we can do that. All right, the next one. Hopefully you're seeing a pattern. These are the same. Kind of. They probably want you to rewrite this. You should probably have y equals negative x plus 2 minus 5. This is from last year. Okay, so now they look exactly the same. Distribute your negative, that's like a -1. So you've got 0 equals -1, x minus 7, add 7. 7 equals -1x, but we want positive, so divide by that negative, and x is -7. That is your solution. You can write it on the line. And over here, you start, again, function form, go down 5, back 2, or start at -2, 5. Your slope here is -1. So it's down 1 over, down 1 over. They're specifically asking for the x-intercept in this question. So we're going to go up to the x-axis. I'm guessing you could bet already what our x-intercept is just by knowing that the solution is -7. Indeed, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is our x-intercept, which again, write as an ordered pair, 7, 0. All right, and then here is your big idea here. Solutions to an equation set equal to 0 are the same as the x-intercepts on the graph set equal to y. So that is your big idea here. Put some stars beside it. Solutions are the same as x-intercepts. And again, another word for x-intercepts for today is the word zeros.